Hello and welcome to a Horst Wagons video tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over the universal header pad from Horst Wagons and a variation of different setup positions to maximize the usability and protection during road travel. The universal header pad is a multi-configurating combine header pad built to provide stability and protection for all applications, thus adding better stability during road travel with no need to stock several pads to accommodate various heads. The triple adjustment feature ensures that each resting point is perfectly positioned no matter make or model. In this video, we'll be going over 3 application setups used to maximize the protection of your combine head. These applications being base pad, low back pad for standard cutting platform, and standard corn head with a low back. The universal header pad consists of several parts and components, including short pin, long pin, base pad, clamp assembly, conversion plate, large pad. The base pad. Begin by removing the hairpins of both short pins located in between the clamp and the large pad assembly. With a partner, position yourselves on either side of the large pad unit. Have your partner apply stabilizing support while removing both pins from the bottom of the pad assembly. Once the pins have been removed, together lift the large pad assembly off the base and gently place it safely away from any obstructions. Lastly, place one of the pins you previously removed in the front hole and secure it with a hairpin. Application overview. 1. Remove pins. 2. Remove pad assembly as a unit. 3. Locate base pad on rail to desired position. 4. In some applications, installing one pin into hole B may be desirable to keep head from sliding. Low back pad for cutting platform. Begin by removing the long pin located at the back of the large pad assembly and swing the large pad forward 180 degrees. Next, remove the short pin, freeing both the conversion plate and the corn head plates. Once free, swing both corn plates forward and reinstall the short pin into its original position. With the long pin, begin to slide it in between the corn head plates, conversion plates, and large pad so that they are 180 degrees from their original position. Lastly, secure both pins using a hairpin. Application overview. 1. Remove pins. 2. Swing 2 corn head plates and a large assembly forward. 3. Position back extension here and install short pin. 4. Reinstall long pin. Standard corn head with low back. Begin by removing the long pin located at the back of the large pad assembly and swing the large pad forward. Next, remove the short pin, freeing the conversion plate and the corn head plates. Remove the conversion plate from the back of the pad assembly and reinstall the short pin in its original position. With the large pin, begin to slide it in between the large pad and the conversion plate so that they are both 180 degrees from their original position. Lastly, secure both pins using a hairpin. Application Overview. 1. Remove pins. 2. Swing large pad assembly forward. 3. Position back extension here and install short pin. 4. Position cornhead plates and secure with long pin. 5. Whether it's across the road or the country, Horst Wagons Universal Header Pad is the only pad you'll ever need for your combine head. Because we know when your business is resting on our wagons, it's our business to make sure that your equipment can rest easy. For more information and videos from Horst Wagons, be sure to subscribe or visit us at www.horstwagons.com.